Hi, welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing from Joya Planning. If you want to see that, stay tuned. I was super excited to receive this order. First up is her 2-inch die cuts. This one's the To Do Overwhelmed. And this one is the mermaid one. I'm not sure I'm going to use the mermaid one on yet, but it's super cute. Next we have her sampler card. This is the winter sampler. I think these are all adorable. And this is comparing it to the fall one that I got the last time. And this is the first time I noticed that she has the serial cut numbers underneath. So if you want a full sheet of that card. Then we have our kitty. And then this is a weight loss one. This one was one of her couples, and I think it was called Date Night. And you get to all change the skin tone and hair on both of them. This was one of her spring collection one. I just loved all the wildflowers in it. This one was a motion series, and it's sad. I love the detail she has in hers. This one was a photography one. This was, I think, named Insomnia, and I like how all the little thought bubbles keep you up at night. Dishes, my least favorite chore. Another one of the kitties, and this is for my Baka. She's snubbing me, like usual. And then drained battery, just tired one. Then we have the To Do, but just to put it into the planner, not as a die card. Another part of her emotional series, just different emotions you can have. This was her summer, I want to say sampler. I love the detail that she has in all of her artwork. This is her workout sampler. I love the treadmill one. I think that's probably how I look when I run on a treadmill. A little crazy. Then we have a pill bottle. I got this one for when I either receive meds or I need to order meds. Good way to mark it in the planner. This is the season one. It's rainy. And another emoji one. This one's just the head, though. It's super cute. I like that it kind of resembles the ones you get in your phone, but with your character looks like you. That's it for this batch, and I've already ordered my next one. Like and subscribe so you can see the next ones.